ำคุ้งได้เลยนี่นะเนาะThis one ready. This one ready. This one ready. That's good. What you doing, meow meow? I love you, meow meow. I love you. Meow wanna say hi. My meow meow wanna say hi. Okay. Let me get lemon first. Nice. I think I'm gonna pick some green pepper a little bit too. Got green pepper here. Wow, let's check that one. It's pretty good. Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lost Kitchen. Today I feel like I want to eat something like light, like salad. You know how like we eat a papaya salad all the time in Laos style, but this time and today I'm gonna do like Thai, okay, Thai salad, papaya salad, okay. So what we have here, we have a green papaya, and we have tomato, lime, and long bean, and then I have fish sauce and plum sugar and roast peanut is fresh, okay. I just roast them this morning. And then we have the dry shrimp, not too big, not too small, it's like medium size, okay. And here I have a garlic here, and I have green pepper that I get from my garden, and I also have red pepper, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all my veggie, which is my green papaya here, and peel them. Let's go. Okay, what I do here, I peel all the papaya, the green part out, okay? You want to be sure it's get all the green out good, okay? Other than that, okay, you want to check, make sure all the green out, okay? Don't leave any, they don't taste good. Okay, what you do after you remove all the green out, you wanna kind of like rinse it out real good, okay? You see all the bubble here is from the papaya sap, okay? So see how I rinse it super good now, and I go ahead and leave in the here until the water come out. Now I'm gonna be prepared the ice water for and leave the papaya in here. Okay, see I have a papaya here, and then I wanna put the ice water. What it do is keep kind of like crunchy. the crunchy taste to it, okay, when you cook. Okay, see how like I have ice water here? It gives like crunchiness, okay? Alright, just leave it in here for a little while. You see the papaya nice and clean and cold, really cold. Let's dry it up a little bit. Now let's go chop chop. Okay, what you do, you wanna chop the papaya real good, okay? Make it a little bit kind of like deep, but not too deep, you know, kind of like medium. So, hold it tight, you know, use your muscle. And watch for your finger also, okay? For your own safety. You want to look like that and then slide. Okay, that's perfect. That's all I need. Okay, what I have here, I have a carrot. So I'm gonna peel them and julienne them to add to the papaya salad for color, okay? Just a little bit, not too much. I don't need the whole carrot, just a little bit to add some color, that's all. You know, any food you cook, you have to think about the look, the taste. Make sure it looks beautiful and also tastes good. So that's why I add some carrot color to it a little bit. That's perfect right there. And this is long green bean. So I just break with my hand. And I like the taste of it. It's crunchy. So good. Okay, I have a green pepper for my garden here. It looks very good. I'm gonna kind of like just take the tip off. ควันมันหะ you know. So I'm gonna leave that to get the smell good. Smell. Garlic and pepper. It just depends. If you like it hot, put more pepper. If you don't, then don't put too much, okay? Okay. I have about green pepper. Look like I have 5, and then the red pepper around 4. But I eat hot now, guys. Okay, you wanna brown your pepper a little bit, okay? Not too much. I always repeat this. You know, you wanna pound a little bit. You know, some people don't eat hot, so they can take away. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use about handful of my shrimp, like this much. Put it in here. Oh, smell good. I think I'm about a handful of peanut, a little bit more. You know, put how you like, okay, guys? I'm gonna put all my green long bean. that's a good lamb. Okay, I put the lamb here. I slice a piece like that, so that way it's kind of give the I put a piece of lamb like this, so it gives kind of like aroma to it. Okay, they smell good. Oh, I start going. Okay, I put the tomato, cherry tomato from my garden, guy. Nice and fresh. Just kind of like, you know, gentle, smooth, gentle, okay? It's salad. You don't want to go too hard on this one. Now I'm going to go ahead put my papaya in. Wow, look at that. You don't want to pile too hot, okay? Just go gentle. Make sure they kind of like mix evenly, and that's good enough. Okay, see? Wow. Okay. Okay. Yummy. Thai papaya salad. This is Thai papaya salad. It's ready. Looks so good. Okay, come on, let's go eat lunch. Come on, let's go. Come on, guys, eat. I know it's a Thai papaya salad, but it's also go good with the sticky rice and fried chicken too, okay? So you try my fried chicken recipe, it's really good. Okay? Wow, look at this. It's a good lunch, it's really healthy. Crunchy ว่ะSapphire. Very good. Stop. Stop lại. Thank you for watching. I see you guys in the next video, okay?